Okay, what we have here is pouring rain. We're trying to clean up, trying to end the fair. These are all the vendors, and we're trying to pack up, and it's pouring rain, and everybody's trying to get out of here. But the roadway is blocked, so we can't get our cars out because of the other vendors, so we're just packing up, trying to get ready for when the road clears and when the rain stops. She can't get her car in, so she has to pull out by carts. We found a booth, and so we've been putting our stuff in here until the rain stops.